Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into account. Microsoft.com, enter your Microsoft credentials and make sure the primary email and phone are current. Next, confirm your account age and region to match Minecraft multiplayer policies because mismatches block multiplayer. Then enable two-step verification for security and write down the recovery codes in a safe place. Once done, make sure your account shows as verified. This prevents common sign-in and permissions errors when you link to Minecraft and Xbox services. You now link services by signing into Minecraft with your Microsoft account from the launcher. Follow the OAuth prompts precisely. After signing, open your Xbox profile and verify your gamertag, privacy, and online safety settings, because blocked communication or multiplayer settings will silently stop connections. If account is under a family group, adjust the parent/guardian permissions to allow multiplayer and content access. Finally, grant Xbox Live permissions and crossplay so other platforms can join your sessions without rejection. You finish by addressing lingering errors. Clear the Minecraft cache and ensure the game and operating system are updated, because outdated builds cause auth failures. Then check your NAT type and router. Enable UPnP or forward UDP ports 19132 and 19133 when hosting, as blocked ports hinder multiplayer. If problems persist, sign out and relink the Microsoft and Xbox accounts and run the Xbox account troubleshooter. One troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.